Eu fiz eu, mas vai ter lá. Eu fiz Share the video, guys. Share this video. We get one. Your boy, restituire ogni giorno. San Pellegrino, battendo nelle vite. Hey, amigo pollo. Amanhã. Vamos lá. Vamos, papai. Que eu posso recuperar. Vamos. Aqui de novo. É muito bom. E we know. É muito bom. Lá, papai. É como é que eu posso ir no ar. Não foi aqui no dia. Yesu no porque tu na veo. La amo. Que tu na veo. Share this video and give it love a like. Eva ni soya uko. Eva ni soto uko. Il reste sur média. Tia sunu. On est là, on a pas parlé là. Tu vas aller dans ce son. Emma. On a share this video. Il y a un post derrière. When I share the video, I say, oh, I want that. Oh, God, my son. When I give it a chance. Feel that boy. Feel that boy. I see me know. Oh, my God, no, come on. Orisa so ona yo tuma dame. Orisa so le ona hikbi dame o. Ekeno iriga ye o baba. Yeah, boy. And I will see you. I see you. Now you be. Oh. Come on, nobody me offended. Oh, come on, nobody me offended. Oh, I see you again. Oh, you were so well. You can only get your papa. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. I see that now you. You know, Papa. No, if you don't know, be now. If you don't know, be here. If you don't know, when you go, you can only get your papa. Yeah, boy. Man, you see that, baby. I know who I don't be no man. Man, you want your dick, baby. I know who I don't be no man. Then wants to see, then he wants back and I have no opinion. I know who I don't be no man. Me. Good. Papa, so me. Oh, me have you, father, not cacao. Oh, no, where I never went and never didn't say now. Also, one. Oh, no, he go. No, I can't really go. Huh? Let's go there. Share this video, guys. That's no summer chair. Rick. All right, now let's go there. And that's okay, Baba. And it's very little. And that's okay, Baba. And it's very little. That's okay, no one. It's very little. That's okay. I can't decide. I said, I can't decide. I really show. I need to get back and move. I thought you're my all my son, you get me loud. Tatu samaya, pasoye ya wotare. Tatu samaya, pasodave ya woyene. Tatu samaya, pasoye ya wotare. Tatu samaya, Tatu Samaya, Tatu Samaya, Pasata Leya, oh yeah, big bit, 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 big bit. That's okay, nigga. As a hero, and voila. And that's okay, nigga. As a hero, don't play for. If I ain't no more, you can be one of the best. You got it, baby. Who the hell I'm up your door? Who last back family? I mean, where you now you can. Back the room, let me get to you. Who the hell is okay now? Give us the money, the best. Each one you, but let me know what game was this in that promised land. Hey, I'm your boy, yo. Okay. Give us the money, the best. Don't play. Share the video. Let's go there. Tony Kabaka. Ona Yago one party go. Tony Kabazo. Oya to go one party there. Anyone yes, one. Tony Kabazo. Tony Kabazo. Tony Kabazo. Oh yeah. No so much. For you. Nada yo. Ekine Tony do wotado. Àwọn no ri bi edo me. Agboro wa wotado e Tony Yagboro wa. Tony Kabazo. Ona Yagboro su wa. Tony Kabaka. Tony Kabaka. Tony Kabazo Yagboro su wa neko. Azu wa no abato pase wa nahi. Obi abase ga na hi o Tony Kabazo Yagboro wa. Tony Kabazo otekelo ito ife. Owange akwon. Ohare ki akwon. Ara pa we na mu ure na fa ara pa ya pe lo wa. Tony Kabazo we pe wa ga yeri. Awa se tu na so mo wu o ye. Ase tu na so ri bi do me. Omo wu o ye neko. Tony Kabaka we ye ya pera bati. Ye ya gbe ya bati ko. Ẹjẹ́ gbẹ́gbẹ́ bí àjòwẹ́, ọ̀gbọ̀gá bàtọ̀ wọ́n rẹ̀ bí àjòwẹ́ kò. Ọwọ́ fẹ́ náà tún náà sọ̀nà, bọ́mọ náà wò ó yẹn náà. Tó ní ká bá sọ̀wọ́ náà ọ̀gbọ̀gá bàtọ̀ wọ́n rẹ̀ kò. Màá ṣẹ́dọ̀ náà o, èmi ò gbọ́dọ̀ rí mi ẹ̀kọ́. Mo ra ṣẹ́dọ̀ náà rí bí àjòwẹ́ o, èmi ò gbọ́dọ̀ rí mi ẹ̀kọ́. APC owó àmàgbọ̀ àlọ́. APC owó àmàgbọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀. APC, Agbewu government, you know. APC, Tatu Samaya, pretty precious, you know. Pretty precious, you know. Opako. Oh, one is not to bear. Ona we got the way tell your son. We are pretty precious. Ijega papa. Ona ga ye we so kian. No, it's also not be pretty precious. It's also be precious you. Your baby tell your son. Oh, almost it's also be precious. It's also be precious. Oh my baby tell your son. Iye precious ina wuyu emut no ete Joshua ona so akeke amemi ona mo he negbe ko oh who the go ye rewebu iye na wuye te Joshua pretty precious Joshua eye wuyi won re se gbegbegbegbe ere na laye iye oda fere ere na ye ogweva iye na pogeva ona ya we bo ni ya gbele oye no ti wa ni ye si ere ye no gbe not like yet be ye pretty precious. And yes, one of it. On the extent here who you moot no ted Joshua. Even one more that go with a dumb idem with book. Evan ye bush. Yes, one ye for we are there. I can do any pretty precious we moot. Oh God. We are just so rest in a very hellfire. Oh, I know my drink. Pretty precious, very sorry. When I look at pretty precious, water on away my water on away my. When I look at the precious, you water on away my water on away my. Very sorry, my dear. It's so unfortunate. How can my people greet you all with better stuff? I want to talk for national peace story. Don't play air. You boy, yo. For those of you on Facebook watching me live and direct. And I want to do my YouTube channel. Because why? We are going to be sacrificing my you for there. Today and not today. I beg one Sigma master, chop the flesh and leave the bone. Don't play at you boy, yo. They will call it Utu. Now so yours be. Who do where we go present. Who means be we will put on pepper for ya. Pepper go enter e. You understand now? Yes. Since now house now APC call the scatter obidi, they go see many house go war. We don't care. Where we dey here in the house we dey, we not decide bush. I'm not so and so hey you boy yo. I go share video na get babo as we hot. More understand now? God. Wage babo. Tony Kabaka you make no ya go where so when assignment no pe we no go. Tony Kabazo get ready to be scattered and be gogorizing people's hearts. Since that's your area of specialization, that's your appointee that Okme will give to you to be gogoing. It's a gogoing government. Right now, right away, for those of you watching me from Facebook, I'm going straight to YouTube to go and start my YouTube channel. I'm already live on my YouTube. So when you go to my YouTube channel, you will meet me there. That's why I say, if you are watching my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the notification bell. So when I go online on YouTube channel, you will just get notified. Just sit down for the YouTube and then find live. Because for Facebook, I they leave Facebook, they go YouTube. You understand? So if you know say my fans for Facebook, they follow me. Go to my YouTube channel, Umenwan TV. That's my YouTube channel. Go subscribe, go they follow that because there they 247 now. Now that my duplex now where I go the last food. If Tony Kabaka scatter my house now, I go there YouTube they sleep. YouTube now don't give me room for inside that place where they sleep. Now there they sleep day and night. So if you want to see me, man, you want to see my updates, go my YouTube channel, you go see my update there. Because Tony Kabaka, the talks of Benin, the Agbo squad of Benin, don't start the what people have of Benin. Don't they scatterize for house because they don't win election, because they don't become government, their government don't they in position. You not fit talk to them, that they get SSA, that they get DSS, that they get EFCC, that they get Soldier, that they get Mupo, that they get Zoom 5, that they get Zoom 1, that they get Zoom 2, that they get Zoom 3, that they get Zoom 4. All name all the force of municipal defense, outside defense, community defense, now they get them. Cultists, Agbe, now Tony Kabaka get all of them. So you, the masses, you working with them, you know, say most of Benin now, anybody who gets small level, you go join Agbe, you go join Tony Kabaka. So that they go for the follow up. So right now, that way, I'm leaving you guys now from Facebook, going to TikTok. Oh, I saw what the TikTok not be every day I go to pin link for my Facebook. I'm not going to drop my link again. If you are enjoying my program, you go my YouTube channel, Umenwan TV. I cannot continue shouting, drop a link. If you love what I'm doing, you have to have my YouTube channel. And now, since how many years now? For the past 5 years, they must still get my YouTube channel. 2021 till now. You understand? You never still get my YouTube channel. 4 good years, you never get my YouTube channel. That means you're not fans. Ciao. All right, on Facebook, I'm going to leave you guys now. I will see you guys on my YouTube channel. I will go rub, I will go talk and everything. Be go contribute. For those who want to contribute, you are very free to contribute. I greet you all. Better start on back for now. Don't play. Hey, are you bonjour? Ogun Basile for National Peace to reign. All right, my people, when they share the video as the hot. Ogbona ferry. We could have shared the video. Well, not anybody. Tony Kabaka go see people. We are having one. Tony Kabaka, we are me one Belua. We want to go on. We are in the future one. Radio, a girl can maybe. You will not become politician. You will collect for our hand with two. Well, peace for your peace will spoil your jail. You go there with media. How joke? Tony Kabaka need to go and renovate the house. Very sharp. Very, very sharp. Because in every nonsense, there's a sense. Now, when they bring problem, they bring solution. Now, when they do it, now when they bring problem, now when they bring solution. I want to share the video. I want to see share for this video. I want to see like and love my YouTube channel. The like where they my YouTube, when they click on like. Why click a like? Oh, Tony, I'm going to Tony, I'm going to tell her the truth for you. Open eye, make it hear me. Yeah, time, one of my Tony, okay, Tony, walking. Yes. A Tony ghost of an agbono. So that's the major reason why I'm going to tell her the reality, make it for the user. In every nonsense, there's a sense. I'm going to share this video, go give Tony Kabaka. I'm going to thank her for this video. We're going to thank her for this video. Not make it that way. Your pack crazy. We have the craze for her. Tony is if you do anything not good, now our duty to tell us as a brother. Say Tony, you know, no magba. You understand? Okay, we not the you have it. Yes. I remember when they make an announcement, say Tony Kabaka, honor you something million a day. Instrument the musician. It was a nice one. And you know, managing. That there, you know. But for you to go scatter person's house, or we're not born in. When I go here to work, it's abomination in the land. I go, what? But then I thought that's one why I say talk. You pack boys to your own brother's house and start destroying the house. All over your media. I will play some video for you. They told me that big way in it. Opacity. What I told her, one year just so normally they go talk. They were wrong. But total what do I go up one type of bed. One a boost of a media. A little work me. I might get up. One the boost soon for national peace to read. I might get to was soon. Women like Sabon who want to book 5 go on the media. What the media to do? How you are telling us? Oh, you know media. Why me no you see in Nigeria? Why big guy? Where was the look? Or honor bomb while you were kept. Why big guy? Why I think some man who are soon for national peace to read. So the Kabaka, what your media? What deny? What was seeing? Because we like it, because we like a lifestyle that we will not live. You understand? And why the bunny gonna? None of you will pray. May your son look like Tony Kabaka. None of you will pray that prayer for your son. That's the truth. None of you will pray that prayer for your son. Also, we can work in a go to be a vehicle. Parce que video I love and like my video now. Then let's hit it up. Do man that feel love and like you. Woman now, why worry for the now? The comments me why work equal. So no need of you to cost me. Because if you cost for comment section, I'm not go see them. I don't already wear the comment section comments. So if you want all the type cost, you are your own. Me there, not waiting your reply. I'm not waiting comment when you distracting. No. Before I start, but see why I share a video now, man. When I share this video, I never see share for this video. But when they give me like, only 20 something like, for 230 something people they watch me. When they give me to something like, see around 33 like. When they see the like button, they like it, but they like. Or they like, not in here, not telling you, opinion, like only one, so I can't go about the or opinion, call out, or opinion, give a line. On your like, opinion, like. Man, like yeah, man, when the boo school, when the boo school out of hatred, what the boo they when I like it, when I can't like. Anything like here, you go, man, not give me. Just to let YouTube know where a video now, it is very, very important. A YouTube to be a guy, do my guy. Do man, guys, you can like. A YouTube to a guy. And not beautiful. Now, what are you running? Umamiere rusegbo yogwe o. Aweta si mi ma mi bu. Ari segbo da feriwo. Erumari fo otoyi. Wato yare. Ekwa azmi anan yota. Eni wala to tomanda ho. Ada hegbe. Emi no si oda mi ogwe yesu ni mo magbon yan ma hin si. Ewe bono because of the head down buyan. Who that was what I'm yata. Yata. Yeah, I'm your ho ya ti ororo. Na kwa na yota. Ah, shit, I'm going that way. Obo akpe we ko hun ibu eyo. Na we zai zai ko to yokuri. Who that way I TikTok here. What that we have here do? Abati, no your base aka Azuwa. One. Ogwa agwa wana. If you don't even in social media na go. You na gbe, you na go lo. You na buwe. You na da. Oh, you go about your wow. On your manabat. Where are is it Tony Kabazo? Where are Gwore or Gio Galley? Ya Gwore about your wow. Whatever I go. Oh, if you walk, oh, Baba. If you go with fresh work, I'm one young. If you had the wild down the hall, Umenwan. In our social media, Rudama Tanita, Abia, you want of your boo. On we are wearing then my bar sick boss says they what do I mean. And that was the time I went away. Wake book for the only yagi. I just said, beg you, berry. However, you are going. Manas my egg beku. Who caught her at your telephone? Manakele ayek beking a video. If the one you are, a go away and 0 years to make him that way. It may be a year woo. I think or to not. Pay why we get good in La woo. Yeah, well, in La. It's your team. Here, it's a very team. What? Here, in La woo. I'm gonna be a okay. But I'm not finishing with it. I'm going on. Ana ayek bekia. Ana ayek kekia. Ana ayek kekia. No. Wa wena efia abi wa yarame. Wa wena efia abi wa yarame. Me no awo woni meki omo na dan na omo ko na heme me ti yagi. Nya e bo me disiga. Sister Ikun ezo ibedi. Sister Iyetin ezo ibedi. Nya de na oga sendi go gume o. Mais ça aurait mis 800 euros. Moi, ça aurait mis 500 euros. Regardez, voir les goûts. Especially ma gui. Que me les goûts, ma gui. Elles ont dit, il y a un bloqué. Ou de les goûts de rien. Ah, mais on a dit, mais bon, nous. On va tout la 5 fois. Ma ouais, dans les goûts. Moi, mais quand on a mes beaux why you go when you walk kill the pretend the land? Since you move out to the ball, sorry, you go good. You may have boa, a ball. Now we know. You go no good, Malake. You go not one. That's what the man is nearly no matter though. You not believe we go spend Gomonda. As a person, now here, or your family, you go to me. What down the hall, you do. Is a lower, you get a mood. What shy video now? I never want to go to I'm going to be a city. Every time I say 10 years. You understand? If you drop a vegetable, that's how you know. If you're not done, who died in the I city. The money they want to it's a story. It's a story that we, after my departure from this earth, children will still sit on media like this and analyze my story on this same media. That money may not be a matter. Money, what are you wearing? He had a taste story. That uncle that my mommy used to watch that and they call him Umenwan. How the taste story? Oh, we might choose not to be like him, like me. But your son might be like me. Your son might took me as a mentor. You want to take over from me. He can tell my story. And that's the reason why in that time, now, yeah, though. Now you're going to turn not the war away. Where I ye Kevio have not Nimusi. One on Marago. A big bolos on me too. Very well, he said to Mary. And I said, I am done. You will what a woo, and not the Kuna. Away in Ragbon. And your barrel the moon. The very back at ye, that way, Kuta would be over killing. All but up in Zoo, Queen, when it was Wasaka. It's not your Kuna, not the Kuna. And also show me that I'm with it. And your battle of Bagoma, you go part of my Z, that measure was cut about. When I go, the social media, the family, the media, and everyone look Bobo in Nigeria. Hey, more only beer, Kaya. Every year of the pitching yard door, but I'm sure we have seen Zagazaga, you might be. Yeah, well, yeah, bad. Our must be a situation with you. Always I will sell you already in any union, baby. All of the social media, oh, what the member? If you social media, I baby, what about the same thing. You die with a matter, my and matter the tackle barrier. Muda we mego walk, yeah. Was here 80 Umenwan? Near man, I went, eh? Muda temata, when all temata, you call. Muda matter the barrier, they want to see how to kick me out on this media. Then you give me mobile, the only presenter of social media. Now here, baby, 10 here under 1 month. The social media. Just to cover my mouth, not to speak the truth. Because on this media is full of evil and destruction and deceived, fake life. Here we fried dressing. We motia here. When no man me fried dressing, where's my moon big on your presenter of the media. And I mean, not funny. A hype man. That is presenter of Facebook now. The whole presenter turned against me. And not give we a recharge no sadiaye. Ni year has get. But just like that, Leku Pastor Christ was yet bay. No Ruwelu Road, opposite Aweka Street, Uwelu. Oh, Tia we bed, you don't celebrate to go to your beer, Mamma mia. I know my drink. I want it's how we are seven kayak. One after the other, you guys should sit down and listen. I'm going to go to there. React for boyfriend. Oh, what to agree when you get white so way. And no, you don't no less than I will go. Or it's a way, but not dead by years. I'm not dead by bank cry. I've been a I asked me. No, I did by the webo. Every year, labor. If you know who live in Nigeria, like Bo, you know, you won't say Bo. A assassination. On our when you are anti-cultism. On our when you are here, on our Pulia, on our Pulia, like Bolivia. Many Bo, we are Bolivia today. The great youth we are supposed to have in Benin. Anti-cultism changed many of them to leave their roots. I know Gena Sewebo, on a band, I asked me, the Webu. It was so shameful and embarrassing. Oh, when Mama had Borubu, in my daughter, when he lads and needed to go that way, or have let them to go before now, a disgrace. You understand? Or when the way you lay up, the way you spread your bed is the way you lie on it. A prisoner of the shame just say like me, and no, you know. You don't get a degemata. Every time you say, or a degemata, I had to without warning or recording here. Would I tell the Kabaka is a yes? And no, get us to say my brother. My brother, he be the first name to the Kabaka. On that one. And no, get my Bobro, young man. They're reading in the Is Ogunwaza, a panel lebu, a year, or one. We have one, and the muffin, no be idahosa. No, you ban the Tony Kabaka, and I ban my work, and I think the leg was some men and more. Yeah, you know, like what Tony Kabaka, your way. Why, damn it, honey, when I'm with us here. I did not feel like if you ask the person that disgraced Tony Kabaka social media, is Eddie Murphy not be idahosa? Even recently, and then go to now. Tony Kabaka even collect something you go. It's better more than one. Me and I with Tony Kabaka. The better go to now. Then Eddie Murphy had Tony Kabaka. Where? Abia you are. Ige Melissa. It was this social media. When I humiliated myself, Eddie Murphy had humiliated Tony Kabaka no one. The same Eddie Murphy made the first in Tony Kabaka because Tony Kabaka now is not an APC youth leader. Tony Kabaka it was saying Eddie Murphy made the first in our class yoy. Even what go one nowhere. Even what bad Simon Road. Why is made the first in here? It's so shameful. How can I what that? Oh, yeah, then we are still let's go no man neck Benore Holandi. No more like Billy Bella Ebu. Never both fear come yelling. No, why not this yet? No, back. Weapon. And still as in line webo. In a fear back like a road. In a load there. Who will come one chance? Oh, very good. What market? They still as line webo. May I say, they still as row webo. It's a big slap and a big shake. Then they still as ye. Or do I go me guara or guabatiguan or no my boyoto. Boy nobody. Rawoy Nigeria. Still less. When I reach here, still less cerebral. Still less you derrière cerebral. And still less na be on a ponisan. Lele. Esta go be OKPAMEN. No okay bagwa. Esta idea Europe tour. Do couvre Europe tour. Do couvre here do webo. Still less you can dancer. Still less like a Europe mama dancer. Let's start over here OKPAMEN. You know do agwa batigwa. This is I'm one yo. Anyway, what do you ho? He married over your bats. Yes. When you boom, no understanding your life video, you will know where I'm headed to. About that means behave better. I know the waste time and the put of my body would to straight. You wasted time. It was the end. About the cocoa. Ibe coke. About what that do gaye. But saying that they're wrong. We should all say the way it is. Out of hatred. Leave the hatred, the disagreement between me and Albert. But the truth about here, we will say it clear. That Albert card of a Tony, it was there. A Tony card of your money. A Tony card will say, Tony is not perfect. So don't tell me where Albert, they're not going to be Tony for the past 7 years, not going to be Tony. If Tony Kabaka said for the past 9 years, Albert will be here. Albert is Tony Kabaka. He was married by now for few years ago. Tell me. Albert is Tony Kabaka. We are there not in the party 2 years ago. We are with the Kwa. And they ask now, hey, don't people, you know what happened? The same person you guys are claiming now, where Albert Tony for the past 8 years, for the past 9 years, Albert Tony, Albert persuaded the governor to go away hotel or to him. After the hotel has been demolished for years, with the Albert and Tony, to tackle the party. You know what? You guys are judging out of hatred because people are evil. About the 21 acting one after the other. Oh yes, about the 21 acting one after the other. That's why people are wicked and people are angry. And I'm here. The truth must prevail. One truth is we overcome thousands of lies. One of the reasons why me, let me the king of social media, over many people, because most of them, they are bloody liars. We stand to speak the truth, and that is the reason why you guys are afraid. When they fear truth, truth will powerful. When we are back to the politics, because what I want and woman, what I mean, Kalo, because what the told me. Why say I cover matter? The truth that Jesus guys don't want people to hear. I will continue telling you guys life and the rest. How about you never know him? Yes. How about they live life normally? If he say what's not good, go talk. He's not perfect. I also said it. Albert is not perfect. Albert will go wrong in one way or the other. But when Albert is saying the truth, take it from him, whether you like it or not. When Kabaka was invited to the EFC office, then why did Tony Kabaka want to destroy the house? Go ahead where he was true that he was really invited and he was granted bail by his lawyer. He was granted bail by his lawyer. Then why did Tony Kabaka went so far to destroy Albert's house? Many of you are so daft and dumb. You could not ask that question. Instead, you are clapping for Tony. Tony Kabaka will say, you are mocking about, you're not mocking about. Because tomorrow, you go reach your body. If you don't reach your body, you go reach your brother body. If you don't reach your brother body, you go reach your neighbor body. And by the time you go cry us. But we don't support party. We will still fight for you. Yes, that's truth. That's the truth. I'm not going to say because now say the Murphy disbehave. Maybe they scatter the Murphy house. Make I call it laugh, say the Murphy no give. No, I will not do that. Who call us for win? We might not give another win. I'm a pave, Ibana. My God, go back in my door. Oh my God. Do you understand? Now, why don't you to Kabaka? Let's go there. Let's start playing videos. Share this video, guys. Let's go there. Who are you? Watch it. Hey, now, in my yard disgrace, in my yard expose it to Kabaka. The video was going to mark the way now. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Good morning.
I greet you. Good evening, bros.
I greet you, special person.
I must greet you, bros.
My brother. Are you on live or you're off live?
I'm live. I'm live.
Okay. Please, I want to iron some issue because you are the only sincere person in the cyberspace.
Oh, thank you very much.
Please, my brother. All those our people, those chiefs, and the guy you call them. Put up for speaker in the year.
This speaker, this speaker.
All these are very serious matters. Not watch the joke at all. Because very soon now, war will enter Benin. Whether they like it or not. All those chiefs, what did they do to all those villagers? All the Edo villages, there is no post office, there is no police station, there is no good road for the people, and for that matter, there is no development. How can a civilized Edo don't have all these things to protect their kingsmen in the village? That is why you see all those terrorists from the north, Fulani, they will pass there because there is no government that will control situation over there. All of the young focus in the Benin, whatever, and the other states, which is not good. There are people who are living in village. They are the ones that deserve that security most. Because all those places are close to borders. All these are the forest borders. Let's be honest.
Thank you.
So, senior man, why I called you, I want you to iron on this issue. Please, my brother.
All right.
Because you are the only person that we depend on. You are the only person that we see. All those rest that are just garbage.
Thank you very much.
So, my brother, God will continue to protect you and guide you.
Amen.
We are watching you and we are there for you. Where worry me, Ama.
Thank you.
So, please, iron this issue. Security first.
Thank you very much.
Every government that comes to power, their job is to secure life and property and to develop nation and to create jobs for jobless youth and for jobless women. What are they doing? Fighting, abusing power, unnecessary nonsense. What are they there to do? Is to blue or rubbish. What is an unnecessary rubbish?
Thank you.
They need to focus on the big D, on the main D, security, creating jobs. Let the society be secure and let the people be happy. They are going there abusing powers, dancing for nonsense, celebrating rubbish.
Thank you.
Where the people are dying and crying, the youngs, the old, nobody has said anymore. My brother, make a leave you. God will continue to guide and protect you and your household.
Amen.
Thank
you very much.
So,
all right. That's for that. Let's go straight to a video. There's a video I want to play.
Joy. You know me now. Can I describe myself for you again? But that is it. The answer is no. Until when you fall back, may God let you fall back home. May God bring you back on one day. May one thing bring you to Nigeria. Then you know you are talking to. Wabira. You get where you do a rich man. Your papa, your mama will feed the heat from her. I go go your bar as your mama's.
Yeah.
I go there. You go no say na Kabaka you be French trouble.
That is the
because I don't quiet. This I be fool. So, guys, I want to say this that going forward, because of Tony Kabaka's threat for my life and that of my parents.
Ooh, listen, that is the APC youth chairman, Tony Kabaka. And these people, they clap on the phone, they support them. They say doing well. It's everything we do right. You understand? You have to put it if you do, what do you? No, but we are going to what do you? I want to play this video for now. What is it?
So they say you apologize. I don't know who you apologize to.
Serving our studio, many thanks to the Governor Mondope for setting up this task force on petroleum monitoring committee.
Yeah, sure. Now you video for post. Let's have this video.
I want to remove my hand so that.
Morning, good afternoon, good.
Only you are a slave and you will remain a slave. Guys, how are they? This is at my house in Benin.
Okay.
Yes, guys, I will talk small. Now this update that they pay them. Now this is the update. They said the Accountant General and the Commissioner for because as well. They cannot break me down. As we speak, a meeting is currently going on in Tony Kabaka's house. Their next plan is to set the house ablaze. They say they want to burn the house. The same place I said the destruction will not pay me. Maybe by this time, they think by this time I go to Facebook to cry. You understand? Now, let me tell you guys something. Don't be me reporting that Tony Kabaka was arrested at the EFCC. That made Tony go destroy the house.
Okay.
Now, this Atalakpa recovery concept. Tony is a task enforcement officer. Tony is not supposed to be pocketing IGRO. Tony Kabaka and his gang were they don't scatter IGRO for people to hand. They don't scatter IGRO. This receipt, Tony they issue receipts. They use Baba Iyan Wellington account first bank. Then they collect state government money.
Okay.
Now this one they pay Tony.
And again? What
This
you
one,
doing?
please, if you know you are with Atalakpa recovery concept, all the receipts they don't give you, send it to my WhatsApp number. Bring the receipts. Bring the receipts.
Now here?
Bring the receipts. Make a post out. See what they make Tony they cry. Tony come and say, Shaba, don't molest, and they cheat government.
That one and one. Let's go down. You don't want video where we say about do. No, not study to be about day. Or video not second about it. Yeah, what about it? Because on video, if you don't want first, we'll listen to the TV first.
As the exteriors and interiors were completely destroyed. An eyewitness who occupied one of the flats in the compound confirmed the ugly incident off camera for fear of intimidation.
I saw up to like 30 boys walking towards the gate with all sorts of weapons. Mr. Kabaka introduced himself to me. I said, "They know your face already." He said, "It did not come for me that he came for Albert." I thought Albert family was staying.
He said Tony Kabaka introduced himself to him directly. Tony, I say, "If me, I know you now." Say, "He married no way with me, Rena. He rabat, yano one. I am a Rena." Say, "Rabat, yabat, no one. And see, I don't want to last." They were going to you understand? Okay, chair is a chair. Very close for chair. A glass, no one. This is how Tony Kabaka talks. You understand? And that was how that house was demolished. By Tony Kabaka and the toys in Tog.
Yeah, the fourth flat started destroying the things.
Now listen.
The dispute began after that posted a video on his social media page alleging that Tony,
hold on. Okay. And this boy want to talk about. What Tony Kabaka talking about? Where about talking about so? This particular. This small boy.
This 2002 model now. This 2002, I crossed it anyway.
Somebody sent me this message from America, you know. So he's not the first to draw my attention to this small boy videos. This boy, they deliberately jump on anything against me for the past 2 3 years, and I never reply at once. Anything against me. This boy, this boy, what they call it, no case priceless. Now I'm saying they fight for Akobe. But this particular boy, I've never replied him. The people that have reported this boy to me, there are more than 20. And he collects money from them. You know, you go MC their events.
Okay.
You go collect money for birthday wishes. So when person want to do birthday, they will send out money and pictures. You know what do. I've never called this boy out. I just say all those work challenges. If I even get one, will tell me saying, if he go Nigeria, what he go do this boy? I just said the boy say, make it calm down, finish Nigeria. Make it, if he must do anything, make it arrest him. Make it not do it the way he did in mind. But I'm sure when I make a call, the happiness, he said, no. He was so angry with you, with this boy. I know you are fighting for Kabaka. I know how Kabaka use people. Kabaka used me, but I applied my sense that time. Because I just say, it will give you details. But I didn't do those things. He has used people. It can be used with media where you they use now. You consistently drag me. Go and ask Akobe. My level in Amagba. He will tell you, go to Amagba and ask. See this my house where to the Kabaka got destroyed. 2010, I built a house. I built a rich roofing. That's Amagba. People love the Amagba. I stayed in Nigeria with that time because many people build for that area first before I go. I cultural was as I come back, I stay Bellissima Hotel anytime I'm in Nigeria, and then I stay. As I read them, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, but don't come. We come stay Amagba. There is no video on the internet where I sorted the Akobe parents, even as he dragged my parents, which bring my parents' pictures out. But today, Akobe is grand zero. Like he's begging the whole world now. He wants to play free show for Europe. So you saw Boimara happiness. Today going forward, you're my enemy. And I'm going to use the law to deal with you. I've been saving all your videos. You're my enemy. Whoever thought that I could go carry a microphone now and go play free show for Europe? Free show. Why won't play free show? And I think a free show I broken his wings. Now, that way I knew that Obiegme.
Exactly.
You don't see when you don't call me out. You don't see when you don't drag me. You don't see. And people need to know who you are. And if you know me, you'll be a dope person. You hate injustice. You hate what Tony Kabaka and the Agberos are doing. It's time for everyone to cut this boy office now. It's an enemy of the land. Maybe that's why he goes to Kabaka to get his cover. This boy is an enemy of the people. If you know me, you love Eto. You hate injustice. Because what Kabaka got to do to me, he only did it to Ctnaija. I did a video to condemn him. But today Ctnaija is quiet. This boy is an enemy of the land. He's an enemy of good people.
Mr. Abba. Thank God, see, those people they call the report to you about happiness. Those people call the report happiness to you. Ask the question, wait. They will tell you, say, the not call report to me. You understand? You don't my phone with a hack, so now I forget happiness number. Now for today, chat with. If I wasn't out for the year, I for the play voice record for you now. I'm going to play voice because I get that. Doesn't not have that phone. But they play happiness, all those happiness customers voice record for you. Then they use me now, they watch me. Bro, you know why me are free? I just did free. You know why I free? All those people where they call, say, that's why happiness, they give them money, you don't do the MC for them. That's why they give them money, you don't do happiness, no. As I talk, they know, say, not truth at the channel. Not truth at the talk. Now, me come out from media, I can't disgrace happiness. I come out, I saga happiness. I let them know, say, if you not give happiness work again, you chop on the money, you not call me now, who will kill them? Anybody where they Europe give happiness work, happiness can't chop your money, not do your work. You constantly you call me, I can't saga happiness, if I all allow it, by yourself, carry all your life video, saga. If you give happiness work, happiness in manner where una do team no me do saga happiness, but can allow it. Ogun here mugwe. Now I make all of the call run for me. You know to learn. I'm not going to call it anywhere. Happiness in because what I tell them.
Happiness is calm. Ojiro. Happiness as the full community of happiness, all of them. God is your way now which they confess as happiness. This is the way I do so. If I lie, make happiness come out on live video. I don't want to disgrace that community. You understand? You get the reason why I don't want to disgrace that community. The full community, they were all witch that year. All of them confess, including happiness, happiness. That's the reason why when it say I'll be metal, it matters your age. Happiness we more metal again. The must happiness because me only you may make it carry you cover. Why you cover carry? But I you cover after I go. You understand? The community, all of them are witch. This thing we talk about. Anybody where they go, we not hear the story that year. Who come like me? You accept that fitness work should be done. All of them confess. Also, why the happiness? Happiness is happiness does not talk like in age. He talk like my grandfather age. Age no you or you are going. The age where happiness dey for coven. Now happiness we talk for real life. For real life, happiness is small picking. But for coven, happiness is big person. Ask them. Here happiness. That's when you need. I'll measure your community in your stand. Everybody know the community where they confess. God is the way of the community and car. You understand? Everybody fall. People, hey, go 10 out. It was a massive confession for Benin that year. Go reach this happiness. So that's how I go look and go your laugh. I go look and go laugh. So if you see happiness, they talk. Don't look happiness said is small. For your front, happiness small. But for coven, happiness na old man. Audio way no. Happiness, audio way no. I mean happiness in with my everywhere not be well yagbon or my era not be well or my happiness in bros. As happiness, hey, you boy you know. You understand? As on hey, umyani way. Ya no tagwe ya wa Nigeria, eri wa arrested, eri wa arrested, eri wa worona. Isagano. Again, happiness ne that's happiness. Happiness ya chatting again, nakedness getting agwe. Nakedness getting agwe. Again, you hear that we go. You go to hear no ya what am happiness. You understand? Happiness now you can get on the person with the jealous. Again, you do happiness. Not go out there do the happiness or what? Happiness you do to another girl. When happiness you call yourself. As a man, happiness not just again. Again, so I see happiness not for what the nakedness of again. Happiness not for what the nakedness again, not for what the girl you want or you no, or later there you are. I don't wait for what the nakedness again. You give me. Well, you happiness no you just need again. Again, yeah, when you do well, show me there. Again, the band one for when we are happiness. Now, video we are happiness. Happiness, yeah, blessed again. Happiness was in. You understand? Happiness is finish happy you are. Happiness, outside Babu. Everyone here take happiness like UK. Happiness, you're the opponent. It just a review. Abia you are. Happiness, you're the opponent. Yeah, happiness not plan with the native daughter. You know, I have you. Upon this, the happiness you have Jilabewa. Upon my yet to go not collab you are. Upon the way burst happiness on this one. I'll be when I call you. Will you not get happiness you? Happiness, I be what happiness that way. No one my mentor. All happiness, all you be what you mean. A boy not how you be your mentor, you be better. Send me Nigeria cut me a blessing before when they use no claim. If you don't declare. Happiness, yeah, happiness, yeah, bewa. Happiness, I really got happiness. Happiness, that's even now when you only born. Okay, let's confess happiness. I be work with. When happiness, I be work with connect. I be work on your body go get happiness. Azuwa, my God, what can you? Where's senior happiness? If happiness, yes, senior yo. Why we? Happiness is great. We are a little tag that over here. Manasa, whether I don't remember your no, imagine your now. Imagine your akwena gbade unu akwena arrange ne unu akwena arrange ne unu ke de ti gbogbo asa na kin ma arrange unu ama e ma pa kon happiness won mi ado you know gbe topic to hello hello the life no you understand my guy azuwa happiness was here no wa azuwa here when we do here is the chair clear up my chair the chair talk man oh you know no what talk I live Vedo. Live Vedo. That's the reason why you see me. I ignore happiness. Even in there, I don't go of your body. I'm not happiness. I could come on. Happiness. So the best thing is here. Anybody know if you fever for one of book. Over the your book. But talk about ya, where those are happiness. It more good be up. All those when they call you say happiness chop their money, they're blind, they don't see the MC, they go say they don't watch my video. When I tell us happiness not scam, when they don't give happiness work, and now they want to call you because they don't see happiness, they badge you. Bro, now so happiness they follow up. And since they badge you so, to the Kabaka go still bless her. You don't know you must know the game. That's the reason why you see that even the way they are abroad, they stay blessed there for home. Also, they want to grow. Because they still believe on Naira. You don't understand? When happiness give your boo anybody, so they can get you if you already hear your boy. I could bear it, even hear your boy. And you don't know what to do. I work in an hour, that's not a workshop. Come on, something now. And this small boy I follow up after all card. You can't get this one already now. But you're clear, so we are what they're a group with happiness. My brother, we are like group with you to be a forum in happiness. A forum in happiness. All those that do union enemy, don't cultural enemy happiness. Bro, if you enter that forum, you yourself you go hello. Now your ancestors did that for that. You are the way we up America, Canada, ni more like boto or open forum in. Imagine this guy, I know many of them. You understand? Bunch of illiterates in America, and they tell them yet they to the world at the end of the day, they are a bunch of illiterates. These are the people that are supporting evil atrocity. You know, when I'm to my now, I say I'm getting PC for them. Betray everywhere. Who would say for me? Happiness here, moving on happiness everywhere. They'll go live for them, they'll call report to me. They'll call saga happiness. Understand? So my brother, and not cause happiness will be a go. Be not consider this be a go. Have it in mind. Albert, a lot of people will definitely come for you. Because why? I got basically with the word we got there. I want to go Albert Obazee Tony who call out in here. You've touched many people during your Obazee regime. You've dealt with a lot of people during your Obazee regime, both rightly and wrongly. Yes, I must tell you truth. So once things happen to you like this, the fool inside will support Tony Kabaka and hit you and say, yes, I don't want to go for you. They're going to clap hand for Tony Kabaka. the fool inside. But the wise one who need purity, sincerity in that country, the growth of that country, will not support Tony Kabaka of the evil that he has just done. You understand? Believe it or not, Emile Tony is an evil. It's an act of evil. It's a bad thing to him. And Benin Wife, let's call it a spade, a spade. Tony Kabaka have to go and renovate the house, and we apologize to the adults. Where you are going for a big general. When I go to fight for him, now we'll sit down to fight for him. Most of the things, the evil he has done, all of them will come out very soon. I mean, talking. The evil what Tony Kabaka do, will come out one after the other. You don't start to talk now. Now we'll start to play at the car, but not the car. And not so too well. More smally, he ain't Tony Kabaka. Oh, cool, it's only you to wear the robot. We're going to feel well at you. Now, I go tell her the truth as a brother. The Bible said, all things are past, all things become new. Therefore, we have baron at the way, a quemmy. We are when I say we know the and we know how we know the Tony Kabaka, or what but no go, you have to do the needful. Go and replace it and apologize to Albert with peace. You know what to do, bro. A very simple thing. A medium, you know. You, Tony Oyedokin, you're my brother. Albert Oyedokin is my brother. The both of you are brothers. That's the reason why. He might only do Albert to ask Saga where Albert will be any. You will know wrong there. You understand? Albert will talk out of jealousy during Obaseki regime. Anybody know you go Obaseki go? Albert is one born, which was bad. But you go Obaseki, Tony, which of us is here? And I said, yes, he's right. Now, our governor, you are very correct to criticize governor. A man in there, Eddie, North America, only right up of me, we are KC. Now we are Pastor Apostle KC, others who are humiliating money. Work with government is going. You feel now? Why had that the whole scene what do we do? You understand? A lot of atrocities that people are doing. A Tony, what done with her? If you don't know how much shame and disgrace you go, if you don't know whether I joke and joke now, media is powerful. It can bring you down. This media can bring you down. The political career you are trying to build now, my brother, this leg will take so will drag you down, and you go nowhere. You know if you go far, bro. I go advise you. Bring down your ego. That's an ego you bring down. Say apologize to your father. Bring the ego down and do the needful. Let there be peace and harmony. Even though money never come, but with time, money go come. Oga or Benny, do the needful. Don't go put do. Don't be joke. Don't be joke. Don't be out the car. I know so you be confra. You get a lot of crowds. You get members. But I cannot tell you the truth. Go scatter my papa's house. Not be my senior brother house. Because my papa's house not talking about my senior brother house. Only the other. Yeah, go on over here. You see, you go for one. And I agree while you're here. But talking about it. Very measure. Mais moi, I don't know. I go. You understand? And what I need now, time when I go, my one. What about when I cut this in now? No, you can go and scatter people out. Move your head, screw. I have about 30 boys. I'm easy. I want 30 people gather. Who go on this journey? Bros, we have 30 people are coming. I go we are. I'm not coming. You understand? Because Oba Yewonwe. You understand? Oba Yewonwe, 1 year ago. Tony Kabaka. Tony Kabazo. 1 year ago. Kakabo agwo waknya. Orangi agwa. They give you APC chairman. APC chairman with the scatter people house. APC chairman with the demolish house. APC chairman will be cultist. APC chairman will be cultist. The governor is fighting against cultists. Why the APC chairman is a cultist? The tax force is a cultist. It's a cult member. A country where there's no law. A lawless state. Which is those states. Now they say not the governor. Now they destroy innocent people. Now the cultists where them Now they use the cultists, they work for Edo State. I don't know, so that they fight against cultists. Tell me the workers who know the cultists for Edo State. OKPAMEN. Tell me your workers who know the cultists. Tony Kabaka, is he not a cultist? Is Tony Kabaka not a cultist? You are demolishing the diaspora people's house. Tony Kabaka house is still standing. He's under you. He's working with you. He's maybe Mopo they follow cultists for Benin. Mopo they carry gun, they follow cultists for Benin. And government they fight cultists for Benin. Voila. Hey, Baba. What about shit? Oh, me arrest my case here. Let's see you guys on TikTok. I will leave you guys now. I will see you guys on TikTok. Who are for national peace today. And if you want to join my TikTok, it's the same name here. Umenwan TV. It's still Umenwan TV on my TikTok handles. I greet you all with better style. What is bad is bad. Let's always call a spade and say the way it is. You understand? My brother Albert, not one. Let time weigh you down. When they say they sell my house, all this social media Benin users, all of them call they happy. They call they happy, all of them. They call they happy. The same day when they happy, and their platform that use their mouth talk and say, they just by talking, whether me I go live there for weeks. Imagine the way they mock Albert now. That was how they were mocking me. See, they sell my house. For the truth we are talk. Yes, now. When you tell the truth, you become their enemy. So, bro, happy birthday to you, my brother. Enjoy your birthday, your trip. They want blow lie. Then you is wase. You to you what about ya chop sick as along. Some people be mugu. Why some of them really mugu? You what about ya or wagon of go ya sick as along. You got about to back go wagon. No, ya sick as salon the UK. Or no sick as salon the UK. Or move different country. No, ya like UK. That's where you guys know. Some of you don't get sense. I don't get it. I go see this. I go see some people who are broke. Go see it say, "Oh yeah, I see cats all over UK." Hear me, guys. UK is no longer under EU. UK don't come for EU. Tete. Since 3 years now, be 4 years. Since 4 years now, since 2021. Since 2021 to 2020. They don't tell me UK is no longer under EU anymore. You understand? It's no longer under EU anymore. So before person go feed it from UK, they try Europe run. Definitely he or she must get Schengen visa. You understand? So since how many years have bad the UK now? We're busy now. He wants to get a house to shop asylum. Why? Where do I go to wise? It's a question. Where do I go to wise? I greet you all with better style, with peace of mind. Don't play. Hey, are you boy? But before they talk, they could think well. People they think well. Before they talk like that, they fool themselves because people get sense when they watch on a video. Before they fool themselves, people they think well. Say, Albert, scatter your house. Why would they call the chop? Don't chop asylum for UK. What they bring them one? You will not be chop and you will be a asylum seeker family here where you say you get German paper or jump. How many times you don't go UK? Albert come UK, the top rank, he don't go UK, he don't go come Europe. Albert don't come Italy here. Albert don't come Italy. Albert don't go Germany. Albert don't go Belgium. Albert don't go Holland. Albert they turn up. Albert they Spain. With his waiting at UK. Many of them would have spent 30 decades of that UK. And never have to move that UK. Ebenugame, why I go to UK? Why I can listen back? Voilà Liverpool, et Liverpool pour les fois. Wa que Liverpool ba, voilà Manchester et Mouya Manchester United. Wa que Manchester ba, voilà London. At the end of the day, wa man long am go to wa done. Wa que wanik ba, wa bella. Newcastle. Wa man got Newcastle, I Birmingham. Or Birmingham turn up. Ya turn up. Wa yen better. Wa yen Birmingham wa ku ko better no ma tigidi. Ya Birmingham turn up. E ko ye te ku ya ta Birmingham. If you have to Birmingham ya ku ya. Oh God. Let me leave you guys. See you guys later. Don't be laugh. Sometimes they see some people they talk. I just they laugh. I understand. And what about to go why? And no get what zuase. And no get what so that you zuase. You know say body jama. O say body ya party vera party men wo win ya ro win ya. You wo je. When they for many years might be one room ni jwe. The fake life ya gbo a. Owu bo wa ni jwe ne. Una do show aga no ya dey egu mi jwe no ya dey follow di jwe yi. At the end of the no level. What even ya need 2.9 million need no the GPC. Who I mean you even one ye boya ne. What system you in. You came to me to make math. While one is when you way. Verify her. No, where the who or Muyo Yoga. My God. Fake life on media. Fake life everywhere. I greet you all with better style. Hello. Hello. Oh, I talk my bros.
The message where my we are in my please where this make it about the video if I'm not making mistake or fourth one.
Yeah.
Don't make it yet. This is
the fourth one.
And your man is becoming that where don't wear the Naya you know.
Yeah.
Our papa the guy, you know. The name is the answer. So many people have said, no, where wow, they do away with shut up on this and this. One of me where Sissinai is Katawa, Quamela, Janato going, not going in the Motubeo, the King of Wa. Oh, the name you know the answer you turning in me. Where?
Mamma, one, not the answer you way. Go ahead and answer you way. We are here and go. We are here, Palace. We are the Palace. A clap for me. We are the one. A Palace. We are not going to go. Eh? Everyone to what day?
I totally agree with you. No see any good ties at where well Tony no because my way now. Manage your man Tony. I understand that one quite 100%. And no say matter where man one day go to a day where I go away money. No you tell me yate any the moto because I will go and make a way. And when you set it to go one away because where we told you man you walk one I mean what I go I want no tell me yate any what I started now. I go as for that. That area. So the other part of it in the is that where Mr. Tony Kabaka, I don't know where I was in it. You're supposed to be a darling man. You understand the now?
Yeah.
It's in the no Nana way. Because when get your toe, and that's how they suspect of this upon the Uni edoke yo tome the security on that part where come where you already only have said boya say go attacking na where oriba then to make you ni yo to I just said to attack where they don't Kabaka man you know do you know what understand me now o te pretty a woman dear brother Mr. Tony Kabaka my dear brother because mo go give understand the now? Oh, one way you go on it. Understand the now? Oh, that is your panel in the demo. Be more than you have a party. What is the no demo? If I know advice away for all those things, it's a very wrong advice. And no advice, you know. Because I can wear donor and one where be here. Understand the now? And yeah, we have a donor where I ever no donor. Because if you wear, I'm not if you wear your toe. I'm not if you about your toe. Man, can you black better? I'm not taking your part. Making well, then maybe if you wear, if you about I can't basic. If you want, I'm not going to Tony Kabaka. Maybe if I basic your part because we not able. no ogbinane nebe ba nemege apate you know because anyone you do na press na yafe exactly understand when na enu me one guy you want to come out go ya do na according to no te yo to irie who can it when you fix nani 100% the one side to me one year they not na when you fix all those things we can say the other arioba who mo to me oro I play with arioba we to we arioba do le eto yi yeah we we are we to no yi we go beto ye arioba bo we ma support no arioba ni because eto we go arioba to beto yi we saga ye arioba bo so on you know by so my brother Umenwan me you be afraid the way make it fine all those things when you afraid of after social media now abato we say cry or you see salon abato not to go see salon que no e problem wa wo see salon ma see salon is it your problem problem wa or see salon ma see salon only problem na you na problem na wa jina ni kigbe o wa pa o ya gogwe o wa no ba ko ne to ni Kabaka case deeper le woni o no ba me ma te we to ya gogwe to ni Kabaka wa apart from here ba paseki e kini na be wo we o ni na butu sai you understand me na ipa le to ni Kabaka case le woni aba ni eze gbipa ni le woni aba ti me eze gbipa ni te oh yeah he's still living yeah. Wato. So my dear brother, that's my little contribution. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. Wato. Thank you. Wato. Oh, I want to talk for national history. A lot of calls were coming in. Let me go back. Hello. Hello. What's up? The real live video. Okay, let me put my speaker. Okay, on the speaker now.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, we are hearing your speaker.
Okay. And you need some. And another second, a time we have about. And that's always come out for those not 1 year, not 10 years over second. All of them they defend the seven politicians near him. Yeah. Right? But you come around, never party Latian, who about him humiliate everybody. He hates his near Yarrow. He come around, no, now party Latian woman, that's anybody. A Yarrow. Don't we going here? And we come out with the election. Oh, not just a green money. It's your money. I'm not sure. I'm going to go. I come back when I am going to go. Or what? Where do we? It didn't come on reply. It was really more. Not like this. It come on, not back to not be breaking now. They will go past a kid, or not a party animal. Or not create a narrative. No, you have to defend ya. But you come on, when you are going to not back in this. Okay, I'm not back to now. I don't know. You don't understand. Yeah. This thing is a wrong thing. Even here, our creative is very, very bad. We are going to there when you go to when you go to block up by Nigeria now. It's very, very bad. Everybody not supporting and even if a problem with her back. When I need alcohol. It's not good because no one saw it that way. This party can do it to anyone. He ain't it to who when he and I go to argue marry. He ain't Ctnaija.
Thank you very much. God bless you. But it's true. You understand? It is true. Your body can go wide and soon. You don't win in any. They don't get wins. You understand? Why that's me why this trail is not my business. But the truth, I'll keep on sitting down here telling them straight direct. No way in sound, we're gonna go. No way in sound, we're gonna go. I agree to you, Baba. I agree to you too. I agree to your brother.
Yeah.
But for the topic, because that was the statement since how many days now?
Yeah.
I don't come here to support Tony or Albert.
Yeah.
You know understand?
Yeah.
But for me, waiting I see the reason. I believe Albert because I know they did. You know understand? For that Benin now, not the way they happen with like let's assume say Albert no get camera for us. Like for that area or in neighbor, when the Tony still enter the compound when they destroy, no one can still video run, make that one be proof. Or waiting at still reason, you know media man. Sometimes you dey handle some issues here, you will call on like as Albert want to be now, Albert don't talk. Now and I believe say you still do and say you will call another person. Make them still hear from that person. I don't call you to praise you. Sometimes you allow me person they talk. When person talk finish, you know what it be the truth, you know what it be lie. Yes. You know that sounds so baba. You for still try, still call Tony. So they don't go say you know go pick your call. Or rather if you say you want to put on for media, so they don't go say no work. So that many people still hear from her. If you deny, do not be small picking. You know understand? If you talk truth, we talk truth. We know not the talk truth. You don't understand the head. I know you can say no be Tony go or about the talk like. You don't understand at least. Including me, we bomeji. My easy baba we with 8 hours every day. I do people near the wire. We mean no man. At the end of the day, you want to get 1 or 2 issues, you go to try that thing. Nobody will go at people. And then because single man is in and be again. No matter that, but at least maybe you still carry on your platform, maybe we still hear from woman. You know that sounds so bad. Maybe you still try. Maybe if you go do one, but if you know you still do one. But now waiting I still reason that maybe call you. But for me, I think maybe if you call and Tony could pick. You will even love to even talk for your platform. Believe me.
Thank you. All right, no problem.
You understand?
I don't hear what you talk.
I agree to you about.
All right, you get number. You get only number.
I'll find me and call person. If you set up for me, I forward on for you.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
All right, one love.
Okay. Yeah.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Baba.
Yeah, this speaker, go ahead.
One thing I say, I'd always appreciate you, say, man, you are a very good listener. You are a very good listener. Let I understand, say, this will be say, man, you know where matter day, you know where matter not day. So, and I like one thing, if we control with this, so now you this, so no say evidence. I be number one thing, be say, man, when they come to trap on anything, evidence. My brother, do you believe, say, man, for example, say, person want to house now for Nigeria, as it all be, 30 people come, 40 people come, they say from almost 50 people. No one person for the whole area. He carry phone, make it video evidence. He put on a 1 minute, 60 seconds, make it be 1 minute, and they go and they'll say, wow, oh, you come video the motor, they say they back on, they come video the plate number. No 1 minute video. No. See, a desperate man is a desperate man. I don't say, man, you be one security man like you. When you want blast bad, then you blast them. One, you blast and talk them well. If they want to investigate as a CID, they make you as a tapo. Being Umenwan just so we tapo. Waiting for understanding what be the people you want in the Kabaka. Tell me what proof when you want to say, man, you want to in the Kabaka, you say because say, oh, can I know that? I don't pick up where something know that something come up today. Now you want to tell me why as a TPO or IPO. One thing we be say that where the evidence we be say, man, give me one evidence, make to the Kabaka. Until now, they don't see one evidence give.
The evidence, you never watched the evidence.
Make you see, say, man, if you not party owner, a brother, I know say who you want to talk something, you want to something, you they do for purpose, say, man, make you foresee the truth or make something come out. Then people who they do for social media. You say?
I say evidence don't come out. You never see the evidence before. The person way Tony Kabaka send message straight to Albert say, Kamari More Tony Kabaka. Me no Tony Kabaka already. You don't see him for social media, for ITV.
But the boy not going to come out. Then I see the video said Kamari More Tony Kabaka. The boy, why? I hear that matter. Then when they tell us say Mori, no video, they don't video when they destroy him out of the whole 4 people will come. They start for his house, they come through his house, finish it, they come enter backyard, they enter the video, they enter bedroom, they do everything. No one to go to just to say, see, brother, I can follow
you. You are telling me now, see, hold on. One question.